Hello and welcome to a new video. Doing something very different. We're trying some off-road trucks. It's week 13 on iRacing, so I thought let's have a go, see what we can do.
The track temp
It's
is
something
39
different,
Celsius.
just a bit of a chuckle.
Alright Ian, get ready.
No hanging around.
Let's go.
Guy behind got a much better start than me.
On your right. Right side's clear. Car right. Still there. Still there. Clear right. Car left. Clear left.
Now, these things, beasts. I managed to roll it during qualifying. Yeah, so that's already not really a good sign.
P4.
I think if I can get in fourth, I believe I'll qualify for the feature race. If I can stay where I am, I'll be looking good.
Watson is now in the lead. Car right.
We have what's called a joker lap on here.
Clear right. The leader has just done a 40.0. That was a 42.6. Right side. Clear right. Car right. Clear right. Car left. Clear left.
I'm in it.
Left side. Hold your line. Clear left.
That's weird. Looks like a ghost. Oh well, I'm not complaining. That's my joker lap done.
P3, 2 laps left. Come on, you're looking good for a podium. Okay, Ian, that's half distance. You're looking good for fuel. That's the fastest lap.
It's my fuss. Oh no. You rolled it. Ooh, that was close. That's a popular place to roll it, that. Not only did I do it in qualifying, I see a few people do it in practice. These things, I swear.
The gap in front has increased. It's now about 5.9 seconds. One more to go. Keep it together, we'll be on the podium.
Oh, that was close. Bit strange playing with the Formula wheel.
Well done, Ian. Great drive. That's a podium.
Oh, why can't I do that in the race? Right, I think I'm pretty sure that now means I've qualified for the feature race. So we've now got heat 2 is about to happen. So whilst heat 2 happens, I think we actually you actually get to do you actually get to watch it?
The track temp is 39 Celsius. The air temp is 23 Celsius. Okay, get ready. Go, go, go. 2 litres left.
It's really confusing because he tells you to go, 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 but you're not actually racing. So we watch these guys go. We'll just get my relative set up. Let's watch this race. Just watch these guys go. It's surprising. You still have to be really, really smooth actually. Even though, I mean, they don't look smooth at all. But yeah, smooth is still the way to go. Just see if I can get any. So I can't get this bit. I cannot get this corner right. And he's taking that so well. I'm going to go on board. I'm going to go on board actually. See if we can learn some things from this guy. Look how smooth he's actually being. Well, we've got somebody taking. You can't see this, but there's got one of the guys that's just taking his Joker lap. I think it's just pushed him out wide actually. Oh, oh, oh! That was close to being a roll there, I think. So this is the Daytona Legacy Circuit. So if you was to look when we come round and you look at the grandstand and things, it's quite different to the new Daytona, which is kind of absolutely ginormous grandstand. Steals most of that blue. Wow, 39 seconds. It doesn't. It's taking it a lot slower than you think, actually. Well, that's a phenomenal lap time. There we go. We're actually live. Yeah, he's taking that pretty well, actually. Clearly the guy behind us, because he's set the fastest lap of the race. I've got, in brutal honesty, I've got no idea what I'm doing. I mean, the guy that's actually leading is a B class. So he's gone through his rookie, through his D, through his C, and he's now a B. So yeah, he's obviously done a few races. And the rest of the guys are all D class, so they've obviously only just maybe got themselves promoted to D class. So I think it's only, you only have to do about 2 races in rookie to open up D. I don't think it's too many, I think, but saying that, I think you might have to get your safety rating up to 3. So if you're 2.8, you've got to get up to 3 to open up your C class. Yeah, no, 4. Once you're on to D, sorry, I'm talking about rookie. Getting confused. Was I'm confused because now I don't even know what's happening. I've just noticed that underneath here this says feature 20 minutes. Maybe I didn't qualify because I got 9.
6 laps. The air temp is 23 Celsius.
Oh no, this is the consolation race. I'm getting to watch the
Ian,
consolation
here we
race.
go. Green, let's go, let's go. 2 litres remaining.
That means I'm in the final, the 20-minute 10-lap final. Consolation race of between two trucks. 6 laps of 2 trucks. Ooh. Could actually get tasty, actually. Especially that I'm doing 2 trucks that are quite well matched. Taking his joker early. Gives us a chance to take in the new dust and a little bit of the smoke that they've added to the to iRacing. Substantially improved was the words used within the patch notes. Certainly, from what I've seen of the smoke on some of the other circuits, it does look quite good actually. That dust seems to be, it does seem to be hanging there nicely. So the winner of this consolation gets to join the feature race, I believe. If we look at the info, consolation 10 minutes, 6 laps. Oh no! It says 2 to feature. So we're doing a race of just...
Fastest lap for
somebody must
Smith,
have quit.
42.4.
Somebody must have quit. So why would we do a race of 2 for 2 cars when 2 of them are going to go into the feature anyway? Somebody must have been in here and has quit out. Must be James Sparks. Interesting thing is it talks about pit stalls and fast repair. Don't actually know how to get to the pits. Where is the pit entry? These things. Let's play spot the pit entry. It's got to be here somewhere. I really don't know. Let's go start with this. really sure. Well, that's a bit interesting. How many laps have we got left? Ah, none. Right.
Sparks has retired from the race.
Right, I'm in this. Oh, I've got no idea how to. I don't get very good starts because I haven't got my clutch set up properly.
Okay.
I'm not sure I want to do straight away. Right, let's get on the grid. I'm going to get punted because I'm not going to get a very good start.
P5. The air temp is 23 Celsius. Here we go. Go, go, go.
Alright, that's better. Leave it in neutral, get the revs up. Okay, get spun right round. I'm going to get. Oh, I'm rolling it.
Car left. He's still there. Car left. Clear left. Car right. Right side's clear. Car right.
It's not going to like that.
Clear right. On your right. Clear right. You need to slow down. Give back some time. Okay, yeah. Decent start. We can build something from here.
Right, it's 10 laps, so I'm 5th. There's a 5.5k guy in here.
Watson is now leading. Car right. Right side's clear. Clear left. 6th place.
Ah, oh, no,
Left
no,
side.
no, no.
Clear left.
Ooh,
Next car is Schultz. On your left. Clear left.
I have to go for my Joker here.
The leader has just done it. On your left. Clear left. Left side. Clear left. Sector 1 is 3.5 seconds off the pace.
Oh, I didn't have much luck
Side,
coming out of my
clear
Joker
left.
lap there, straight into somebody.
Car right. Clear right.
Oh,
Right side.
keep
clear.
going wide.
Right side. Clear right. Fastest lap for Watson, 40.2.
I haven't had a clean lap yet.
7th position. Fastest lap. That lap was at 45.3.
Oh, I just can't seem to get that corner at the moment. It's normally you can take that, okay. It's weird. Bargy and bargy going on there. Oh, slide quite as much as I was hoping. Oops.
The gap to Schultz ahead is now 1.3 seconds. Half distance, fuel looks good. Fastest lap for Watson, 40.1. Your last lap time was at 41.2. Sector 1 is 0.8 off the pace. Right side's clear. Car left. Clear left.
We want a bit of contact.
Well done, Ian. Nice move, mate.
Oh, well.
That's not right. It should be the other way up, I'm sure.
Ah, dear, retaliation to the ultimate.
Car right. Clear right.
That's the first time I've ever
P8.
experienced a
Push
real
now. We need-
retaliation moment.
Left side. Clear left. Car left. Clear left.
Ah, that's a shame. Wasn't doing too bad until.
Two to go. The gap to Schultz behind is increasing. It's now 8.7.
It's a bit too much in there. Oh, we've got a flasher. This guy I had trouble with in my heat race.
One more to go.
Bit too much.
Fastest lap
Oh, it's
for
really
Watson,
difficult to
39.7.
get a car
Give
that's.
back the time gained.
The car's just flickering around like that.
Clear left.
Whew.
8th place. That's the end of the race. Never mind.
Wow. I've got to look back at that moment of retaliation. That was just unreal. Oh dear. Alright. Up here. This guy? I remember who it was, no? Oh, no, I'm not in my car. No, no. I did have a bit of contact with him, so fair enough, but I'm not quite sure my contact was quite as bad as his. I mean, he's gone wide there anyway, so, I mean, not being funny. I'm sorry, but there's a great big truck gap there. Did I really, was that really warrant this? I mean, I'm not sure. Let's have another look, because I need to just double check the name, etc. I've never actually protested anyone, and I always feel a little bit, don't want to be a what's it about it, but I don't know, it just feels a little bit, that one. To me it looks like he was already going round there, so that's just unfortunately a mistake on my part that I Wasn't probably expecting him to slow quite as much as he did. And here, oh, wrong camera. It's the camera. Just need to bring it down a little. Down. Sits a little bit too high, the camera. This, I'm guessing, is the bit that maybe riled him. So he's already hit the wall on the left-hand side. And then there's a gap. Now, should I have gone for that gap? Should I have held back? Still entering the apex. So at the apex point, I'm definitely beside him. And it was the slightest of nudges. So I do need to see it from his point of view. It was Anders Schultz. So he's got a bit squirrely. He's hit the wall. That's nothing to do with me. I'm sorry, but that barely touches him. And then he turns into some psychopath. Yeah, Anders Schultz turns into psycho. Okay, Anders. That was it, really? That's unfortunate. So where did I end up in the end? So 8th place in the end. Okay, let's quit out. And let's have a quick look. It's done for me, or not done for me, as it were. So I still actually gained safety rating. Obviously, iRacing doesn't actually change when you're still a rookie. It's interesting. It does a little bit, but it doesn't show up any. And there's our friend Anders. He's already a D class. It's interesting. Yeah. Okay, so that was something a bit different. Nice short video. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the revenge attack from Anders. Yeah, not much more to say on that. And I'm probably going to do a couple more different races. I'm probably going to try and get a Rallycross in if I can, and I might have a go at a bit of oval dirt racing as well, just to see if I can progress my license a little bit. It's not something I'm going to be doing a lot of, but just while we've got this week 13 gap, I thought, yeah, let's try some of the stuff I wouldn't normally do, and see if I can improve those licenses. So, yeah, thank you for watching, and goodbye.